Uptown Light.
Now, as you can see here, you need to have a optimized cover photo. Now, this cover photo is designed to show people that I'm into law of attraction, because I said manifest your luxury lifestyle with high ticket affiliate marketing. Of course, I put a button here that actually would take someone to this page where it says, are you ready to transform your life with high ticket affiliate marketing? Now, what you want to do is put a call to action here. All right. To where you can say, click the link to manifest now. Then what you want to do is you want to go to wherever your affiliate links are stored. Mine are stored on Bitly. So I will come to bit.ly.com. I make custom links. Of course, if you want to learn more about custom links, I show how to do this inside of my Zoom classes. But here we go here. So now I'm going to insert that link there, and I will click done editing. Now I have a call to action and a link taking someone to a product. Okay. And that's how that works. Now let's get into your profile picture. For me, I use a profile video because I like to stand out. Okay. Now, if you would like to use a profile video, understand that Facebook only allows 7 seconds worth of video footage to be recorded, and you can only upload a profile video using the mobile app. You cannot do it on desktop. You can only do it on mobile. But this is also an optimization point. You want your profile picture to be clear. It needs to be a picture of you, either smiling or inside of some extravagant location or a nice restaurant or something. But it needs to be a picture of you. The other optimization point is here inside of your bio. You want to express what it is that you do, so people, when they land on your profile, they can get an idea of what you're doing with your cover photo, also with your bio. As you can see, automate your ecosystem, funnel crusher, graphic designer, and dream team. Now, for me, this is for software, sales funnels, graphic design, and the team I'm associated with, of course, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin's team, Virgin Media. And another optimization point is here inside of your intro. Now, for me, I teach people how to create Linktree accounts. If you do not have a Linktree, just go and create a Linktree. This is a site where you can put multiple links onto a platform to where people can take action. Here, they can book a 30-minute call with me. You can add me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, this is taking them to a product. This is a powerful optimization point. People love to click these links. And one more optimization point is here on your feature photo. Now, for me, I want people to click this link. So I said, click link in bio, level up. Then I also have a button here where they can click, and it takes them to book a call with me. So these are optimization points on your profile, and you want to make sure that your profile is set up for success like this. Okay, and this is another prime example of great optimization. Of course, this is Hiram's page here, and he has a clear description of what he does. So when people land on his page, they automatically know that he helps affiliate marketers and business owners generate more leads and increase their sales using simple internet marketing strategies. Okay, very clear description of what he does. He also has a button that says get started. When you click that, it will take you to a call to action, unlimited free leads and sales. Of course, he is replacing this link because we have a new link, and that will be updated very soon. But for you guys, you want to put your affiliate link there. Of course, this optimization point is here. Join my free 10K group. This is a link to his Facebook group. You can also put your Facebook group there if you happen to own one. And then he has his social media icons here where you can follow him on Instagram, follow his, subscribe to his YouTube channel, or follow him on Twitter. And then he has his feature photo: stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Very positive quote here. People will see this, they will be motivated, and this is a clear optimization point here. I'm sure, yes, he doesn't have a link here, but you don't necessarily have to put one on a feature photo if you choose not to. That's just another example of how to optimize a Facebook profile.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep